Hi there, this is Fersalin Maid Amatong Saso, but you can call me Teacher Lin. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in General Science. I am also a TFL certificate which verified to teach English. Throughout my teaching journey, I developed to be creative, patient, and enthusiastic. In my class, I'd make sure it is fun and exciting, and of course, enjoying while we are learning. A place where we can sing, dance. If you want to improve your English and build your confidence, I am the best teacher for you. Because in Teacher Lane, learning English is fun.